Hey, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver and today we're gonna have another great session of trading with binary options on Quotex, the platform I trade on, and the link is gonna be in the description to this platform, as well as the Telegram group where we share a lot of useful information about trading in general and specifically with binary options. So let's jump to today's session straight away. Today's session is gonna start with a couple of dollars. We're gonna put on zigzag indicator and we have the MACD there. So we're gonna go ahead and choose go and have a put option here, because MACD is really on the maximums and it is basically spending its time in the overbought section of the graph. So that's when the price is starting to loosen up and kind of just starts to go down. Okay, and then the MACD is also showing there, almost crossing this. So in the next minute it's gonna probably cross the slower line, and there it's getting close to it. So let's wait for the result. Here's the first profit. It's quite small, but 3.74, and the next option is going to be $3. Let's go ahead and change this currency. Okay, so we're gonna go with the trend here. We're gonna go with the put option because there is a trend for that, and I love it when it happens because it's easy and you can just relax for a bit. This is well, you're never relaxed, but it's an indication that the price has a strong direction, and we can, with most certainty, we can follow that direction easy. And okay, let's wait for the result. $5.61. Not a huge profit, but it's gonna grow because we're using a compound percent here and we're gonna grow. So $6.35 on our balance. We're gonna go ahead with $6 next. And the next one is going to be, oh, look at that. Here we enter into a flat here, or you can call it also a little reversed flag. We're gonna go for a call option because I see the market is changing direction. It was a bear trend, and now we're entering kind of into a flat from which most likely we could go up. And looking at the dynamics of the trend in general, we can see that this is what happens. It goes up and then it loses its power, picks it up, goes up, and then down. So it has a rhythm, and we can see that on this graph. And yeah, let's see the result. 11.22, and there we are. We have this profit here, and we're gonna go ahead and okay, so we have a clear situation here for a put option. You see MACD there is shown a very nice situation. The green line had crossed the orange line down, which means a price going down, and this is an easiest indication for us from MACD. And then the zigzag is also having a bearish trend line, so we're looking at as the price going down. And let's wait for the result. All right, 20.57, and this is our profit. Again, not huge, but considering we started with $2, it's not bad. So the next one is going to be $21. And there's a bearish trend in which for now we have time to enter still before it'll changes direction. So we'll go for a put option here for $21 and 1 minute, and let's wait for the result. Here is our profit, now a bigger one, $39.41. The next option is for this currency here, and well, look at that one. We're in the minimums here, and this is a growing potential. So let's go with the call option. There is a flat which was accumulating a little bit there, getting some power, but we're on minimums here, so it's time for it to start growing. Let's wait for result. And here is our profit. It's doubled now, almost $72. It's an 87% payout on all three currencies that I'm trading today, so it's not bad. And we have the 73 for our next option. And as you can see, this option went well. Okay, here we have a bearish trend, and we're probably gonna just go ahead with it. There was a pullback to a higher level a little bit, and then now it looks like it's starting to go down again. So it was just basically one bar pullback. So we're gonna go with the put option still. 1 minute, $73. Let's wait for the result. Here is our profit, $136. That's a great one now, considering we started with only a couple of dollars. Let's go to the next currency and have a look. Okay. Alright, so $136. We could go ahead and use this bearish trend as a price going down. Again, it's a very similar situation to the other one, but we're going to go ahead and use this pullback to in our advantage, and go with the call option here and wait for this pullback. There is a bearish trend, but we can still expect this pullback, and 1 minute is enough time to use the situation. And let's wait for the result. Okay, some nice profit already, 255. We see a price growing here, so we're gonna go with a call option. There is a pullback right now, but we're gonna still go with this call option, because again we see MACD is showing us indications of price going up, and the zigzag as well is showing us that the price is growing. So we'll go ahead and trust these indicator and oscillator to help us out and better the percentage of our odds, so-called. So let's wait for the result. Here is the profit, $476. And the next option is gonna be $477. And let's have a look to the next currency. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and enter into the call option here. There is a bullish trend going on, and then the MACD again is just about to cross this slower line and to go up, which means the price would go up. So this is some really nice clear indications there. Obviously a pullback is there to happen probably, but hopefully we have enough time for the price to go up. So let's wait for the result. $891. So you can see this thing is working, this compound percentage, when we're using the entirety of our balance to go ahead and place the next option. Obviously it works so good in our advantage. Oh, there is a nice situation there which we like, clear indication for the price to go up. MACD, thank you. And we go for a nice smooth option there. We can expect a rise in price for sure, and yeah, just perfect. Okay, let's wait for the result. $1,668.84. So $1,668 on our balance. The next option we're gonna make is going to be 1,000. So considering that, we can make our next decision. So 1,000, and I'm gonna go with 30 seconds. And let's go to a better payout, 88% payout. The next option is going to be, so let's have a look. There's a nice bullish trend formed there, and it looks like it's a clear indication there of the rising trend, the uptrend. Okay, so yeah, the maximums have been formed. Let's, what happened here with the time? Let me just, damn, what happened with the time there? Let's just the time frames went loco there. Let's just have a look. This is not a bad situation either, though. Let's just check. Let's just go ahead, and this is a similar situation. There's a nice trend formed there, and we're just gonna do the same. 1 minute time, and let's wait for the result. Here we have our profit, 1,840, 84% payout. Nice stuff going on, and our next option now is gonna be 2,000. Okay, let's do that. Let's go ahead and go with the next option. And here I see, there's a gap situation. I'm gonna go ahead and make the next $2,000 option for a put option here. That's a good situation actually. There's a gap going on as well, and we see that there was a resistance level from which it bounced. There was a gap, and then now the price is lowering down, and then the MACD, my lovely friend, is just about to cross. Well, it's doing it now live. It's crossing this slower line. That's a bit of a pullback, but I'm pretty sure that it's gonna go and cross this this line to go down in price. Well, we'll see in a second. Okay, let's see results. And here it is, the profits, guys, the profits, 3,740. Let's go with 2 minute time frame, and this happened. It crossed the orange line. So let's go and use that now for a next option, $4,000 option and 2 minutes, because there is a big impulse there, and as I said, this our MACD friend is just giving us really nice indications there. So let's wait for this result of this big option. Alright, there is our huge profit, $7,728 in total, 87% payout. Guys, we're gonna stop here because the profits are amazing for today's session. And if you enjoyed this content, make sure to let me know in the commentary section. Like, comment, subscribe, all that you know already, and I'll see you all next time. Don't forget about the description to this video for all the useful info you can find about trading, and see you next time. Good luck, goodbye.